Hey guys, Polo here, and today on the unboxing of the SD Sangoku Soketsuden, Sinanju, and Chituma. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, please don't fall. Okay, anyways, so yeah, basically this is along with the Darwin Double Gundam plus this blue motorcycle, this is basically Sinanju with the red motorcycle. I gotta say, well, yeah. It's an SD. I mean, obviously you do some work is needed for this guy, but let's go unboxing. So, yes. So basically, it's Sinanju. Dude, how is Sinanju? No, I don't want Sinanju. It's the Neo Xiang. It's a Neo Xiang, but it's in Teams. I don't want to take that out. But basically, yeah. I mean, like I said, as usual, I'm collecting all the SDs from this line. So because I love SDs, so yeah. So unboxing. On the side, man, that's really nice clear purple in this kit. Check out see it goes under black light. If not, I'll put an annotation. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, and basically it has the weapon. You get a lot of weapons here, which is pretty interesting. And some of these weapons are similar to like the original Sinanju had, like these two, which are just beam axes. I'm not too sure. This one is, I guess, I think it's very similar to his beam rifle, if I put it that way. His memory right there, memory cards, and basically you have the again you get two memory cards, which is pretty interesting, but one's in Sangoku, which is kind of useless, I guess. I don't know. And yeah, basically the gimmick of this kit, if you got Diao-chan Kshatriya, you can actually combine this with the Yupu to make a Kshatriya, which is it's interesting. But I'll see you when I get this guy building. Backstory about Lipu, you can pause where you want. Again, as I mentioned, price, I think this is 1,200 yen or 1,000 yen, I can't exactly remember, but we'll open the box and it's like, god damn, this thing is really hard to open. Alright, so the box. Alright. First I got you actually get twin eyes? That can't be right. Twin eyes? Okay, that's interesting. Wait, oh yeah, I remember. Okay, I remember why these are twin eyes. Basically, if you didn't know, Lipu Sinanju has a Sinanju Stein face inside of him, so if you take out a mono eye mask, you actually get Sinanju Stein face underneath. Which is interesting. I mean, it is what it is, basically. And I believe it's the same motorcycle as Zhao Yun, except now it's red. I can tell these runners are from Zhao Yun's motorcycle from what I can tell. Yeah, that's the parts. Oh, you get a lot of plastic. You get a lot of plastic. That's pretty good. You got the what plate is this? I can see B plate, which is the black parts. I believe these blue tanks are really white, so I'll paint that so it's no issue for me. And the A plate, which is the frame. Then you get one bag, which is one bag. I'm not sure if it's correct now. I'll check it later. You get one C plate in this bag, which is all the gold parts. And you get the purple parts, which again I don't think it'll go in the bag from what I'm looking here. The clear purple parts are pretty nice. And you have the I1, I2 plate, which is for the oh god, that's falling off. That's not good. That's the red parts. Yeah, the red parts of the armor. Yep. And the manual, as usual. Yeah, the box is not the same as like the box is more smooth inside. That's not the same as like in Japan, but. Again, you get comic, just like Zhao Yun, so you get a little comic strip of course everything inside. Yeah, the usual stuff. So yeah, that's an unboxing of the Lipu Sinanju and his motorcycle, basically. Yeah, I don't know whether I'm not sure. I'm not gonna build this anytime soon, but I will get this guy ready. I'll get this guy filled up and ready. Probably a couple of weeks from now. I don't know. See how it goes. And oh god. That's not good. Ugh. Man, how do they pack these things inside? That's weird. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for videos. Peace out.